Hello, and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. Well, last time I did a video was a long version. This is a short version. So, I focuses on workhorses in England. And this book by Michael McPorgo talks about a workhorse that is sold to the British military for use for their cavalry in the First World War, shipped over to Europe, and it's the experience that the horse has, that people have that come in contact with it, and it's filled with interesting stories, and it's very, very moving story. Highly recommended. Then I showed a book that Michael wrote 15 years later, back to the workhorse again, and it's called Farm Boy, and what things were like in England. And it's really two related, very much related stories. And again, a delightful telling of now bygone time. Then I read a poem. This poem's in What is the Truth by Ted Hughes. And the poem was called The Shire Horses. And the Shire Horses was one of the various animals that was included in this collection. It's called What is the Truth? A Farmyard Fable for the Young. And I raised a little minor point about the young, because the poem itself is, I felt, more for 16-year-olds and up. It's included all the poems that appeared in What is the Truth, plus many other books of poetry that Ted Hughes had done for younger readers. It's included in this book, Poems for Children. Again, there'll be some included in here which I felt are for older readers than what I classify children. But that was a point that you needn't worry about, especially if you get a book like this, The Poetry of Horses, an anthology by William Cole. It's all kinds of poems written by poets around the world, and you'll find lots in here that you'll like. And I ended with James Herriot. James Herriot produced some wonderful semi-autobiographical accounts for adults, and he also wrote stories for younger readers that adults can enjoy as well. This is one called Bonnie's Big Day, and delightful story. And I pointed out that whereas I bought the books as they came out as picture books, once all 8 stories were published, they decided to make an anthology that includes all 8 of them with the artwork and everything. Moses the Kid and Only One Wolf, and Christmas Day Kitten, Bonnie's Big Day, Blossom Come Home, The Market Square Dog, Oscar Cat About Town, and Smudge the Little Lost Lamb. The last 6 of those were illustrated by Ruth Brown, and the first 2 by Peter Barrett. And they're lovely books with all the illustrations, and highly recommend this book if you are interested in sort of farm life. Well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.